Good morning, students. Today I have come with a new video which is related to narration. We all know that in narration we take direct speech and indirect speech. At first, I am going to talk about direct speech. Whatever the speaker says, when we narrate or express the words of the speaker in the words of him or her, then it is called direct speech. But when we express the words of the speaker into our own words, then we call it indirect speech. There are many rules and regulations which are related to narration. I am talking about assertive sentence first here. So reporting verb and reported speech, these are the two things which are very important. Reporting verb is a verb through which the speaker says the statement, and reported speech means the statement which comes under the inverted commas. So first, reporting verb is changed according to rules. If say is changed into tell, says is changed into tells, said is changed into told, and will say will change into will tell. I am going to talk about son, which is the one of the most important rule related to narration. Here, S stands for subject, O stands for object, and N stands for no change. If the if there is a first person in the reported speech, so we have to change the first person according to the subject, and second person in the reported speech is changed according to the object, and third person there will be no change. I am going to take some examples. He says to me, I am inactive. He tells me that he is inactive. Second example I am going to take. You told him that he is innocent. You told him that he was innocent. So there are many rules which are related to narration, like the how to change the special words, and before it, how to change the tense. If the reporting verb is in the present tense or the future tense, there will be no change of the tense in the reported speech. I have already talked about it. But if the reporting verb is in the past form, there are 4 rules related to it. Simple present tense is changed into simple past tense. Present continuous is changed into past continuous tense. Present perfect is changed into past perfect tense. And present perfect continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. We can talk about it later on in the next video. Thank you.